This question they are saying a boy of mass 40 kg. Okay, so initially mass is given to you. Before proceeding further, I would suggest you कि go writing whatever the values you come across. तो सबसे पहले हम given mention कर देंगे and then we'll start with the reading part, right? Now in this question they have asked you they have mentioned you like mass is given as 40 kg. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ने mass जो है वो specify कर दिया. Next thing, they are saying that climbs up the stairs and reaches a roof of a height 8 meter. So height is given as how much? 8 meter. In time period of how much? 5 seconds. Next thing, calculate in that G is given to you. G is given as 10 meter per second square. So now they have asked you to calculate the force of gravity. Okay. तो फर्स्ट थिंग उसने तुमको क्या बोला है, फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी फिगर आउट करो. सो आई एम मैंशनिंग फोर्स एज एफ सिंस इट इज़ फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी. मैंने इधर सबस्क्रिप्ट में जी लिख दिया है so that you can get it. You can write it in a complete statement also, that is also okay, force of gravity, but I am going with a shortcut. Now next thing is the work done against the force of gravity, will come across that also. And the third thing they have asked you the power spent. So second thing, work against that gravity, so I have specified in such a manner. And the next thing is the power they have asked you, understanding. So we'll go one by one. Any one of you recall the formula for force of gravity? Yes. Do you know what is the formula for the force? Force is equals to mass times acceleration, right? This is the formula that you all have studied. बट नाउ दे आर टॉकिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्रेविटी. तो जब ये ग्रेविटी की बात करेंगे तो इन दैट केस व्हाट विल हैपन, योर ए ओके विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय व्हाट? जी. सो यहाँ पे ए जो है ये किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? ग्रेविटी के इक्वल हो जाएगा. तो इन सच सिनेरियो मेरा जो फोर्स का फॉर्मूला होगा इट विल बी मास टाइम्स ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन, नॉट एनी एक्सेलरेशन. स्पेसिफिकली वो ग्रेविटी का ही एक्सेलरेशन होगा. सो मास मेरा कितना है? 40 है. व्हाट अबाउट दिस जी? सो इट इज़ समथिंग लाइक 10. फाइन. सो 40 टाइम्स व्हाट? 10. मूविंग फर्दर वी कम अक्रॉस so here we have something like 400 Newton. Okay, so we'll be coming across 400 and force का जो unit है वो क्या होता है? न्यूटन होता है. So we have figure out this thing. इसको highlight कर देते. First value we got, then we'll move to the next one. Now second thing what they have asked you, they are asking you the work done against the gravity. Understanding? क्या पूछा है? work done against the gravity. तुम बताओ. तो वर्क डन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? वी नो दैट वर्क डन जो है ये फोर्स टाइम्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट होता है. येस और नो? यही है ना फॉर्मूला. बट अभी जो करंट सिनेरियो है इसमें लाइक वी आर नॉट अप्लाइंग द फोर्स इन हॉरिजॉन्टल. ये जो फोर्स लगा है ना ये वर्टिकली गया है. सो इन सच केस व्हाट विल हैपन, योर फोर्स ओके जो कि हमने अभी प्रीवियस में फिगर आउट किया है कि जो मेरा फोर्स का फॉर्मूला है इट विल बी एम जी. ऑल्सो एस. एस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्प्लेसमेंट को यूजुअली हम किससे देते हैं? एस से देते हैं. बट यू रिमेंबर दैट ये हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्प्लेसमेंट करके नहीं गया, ये ऊपर गया, वर्टिकल डिस्प्लेसमेंट कर रहा है जिसको हम हाइट बोलते हैं. सो फ्रॉम दैट वी कम अप विद द फॉर्मूला एच. तो बेसिकली दिस इज द फॉर्मूला दैट वी हैव एम जी एच. ओके, this is the formula for the work done against the gravity. I hope you understood the explanation why we are taking it as mgh. Now all the thing you need is like to put on the values. So what is the value for the mass? It is 40. Acceleration gravitational acceleration is 10 and the height is given as like 8. Now you need to multiply all of this thing. Yes, 8 5s are how much? Sorry, 8 4s are how much? 32, followed by 2 zeros. So it will be coming across 3200. And what is the unit for work done? It is joule. So the second value that we have find, it is 3200 joule. Okay, coming to the next one, they have asked you the power spent I hope you all have studied the formula for the power. Okay, power. So, power is something work done upon time. Work done upon time. Okay. So, how much is the work done? Now you don't go and calculate again. Already it is given. Like हमने previously just now calculate किया. तो utilize the same thing. Don't put mgh again divided by time. If you would have not calculated तो हम उस way में जाते. But now already we know the value. तो हम directly इधर रखेंगे 3200. Do not put the unit also while calculation. It will create a lots of confusion. That's it. Okay. And next thing that we have the time. That is 5 seconds. So the all the thing is required, you'll divide it. 5 ones are here, it will be coming somewhat 6, then 4, yes, so it will come like 640. Power find किया है तुमने, तो what would be the unit for this? It will be watt. Understanding? So yes, this is how we have went through the entire solution. I hope everything is clear to you all. If in case you have any doubt, you may reach to us. Thank you.